are back, and after the smoothie challenge, Shraddha is inclined towards food challenges. So we thought of taking up the pizza challenge today.
She's lying. I am in no way inclined to any food challenges. This one is making me do it because you guys requested it.
Yes.
So here we are.
And the game is pretty simple. You guys already know what we are gonna do. We have 5 good ingredients and 5 bad ingredients. So we are gonna make our pizza, and whoever eats the slice first wins. I really hope you win.
I hope she wins.
I really don't wanna win this time.
I won last time in the smoothie challenge, and I was like, maybe.
I don't remember the
We
last
should
time.
not.
Last time I took the pizza challenge with Rajeshwari, and I don't remember if I won the challenge.
You did.
I think.
Okay, so I saw the challenge recently, and Cherry had the most fun expressions. Like, if you guys would want to see those expressions, just go back to the video and watch it like right away.
Yes, I think I'm gonna give new expressions this time. So let's start. Before we start putting our ingredients, let's just put the pizza base first. I really hope you don't put a lot.
Why would I put a lot?
Wait. Why don't you put mine and I'm gonna put yours?
I'll make this for you.
Okay.
You
fine.
make that for me.
Okay.
Acha trick, huh? Put more and like you don't get the taste of the rest of the things.
Put a lot.
Yeah, nice. The challenge is to have like the things, like not the sauce. वो कोई भी खा लेगा अभी. Enough?
Okay, fine.
Satisfied?
Yeah.
एक और डाल दूँ?
नहीं, अब मैं डालती हूँ ना. I'll show you.
I'll show you how to be conjugal.
This is how to be, like, act like a miser.
Oh my god. It already looks sad. Like my pizza it's not even baked yet, but it looks sad. Look at this beauty.
मैं even कर रही हूँ.
मैं भी even ही कर रही थी.
Okay, fine.
See, if you put less of this, I'll make you put the bad ingredients more.
So you wanna go first?
Okay, let's just go.
Depends on me how much I'm gonna put. Your
See, karma.
lucky ingredient.
Oh, lovely. I have Maggie. First ingredient, Jai Mata Di. Please do the honors. So it's clear, guys. I won the challenge. That is it for today. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Feel bad for you.
I do too. Imagine what will happen when we bake it like it's already cooked.
Oh, I don't wanna pick anything. Oh my god, this is crazy.
I'm going to get carried away very soon, guys. Wait for it.
Capsicum. I hate capsicum though, but then really, you're gonna do that?
Since you did this to me, I'm gonna do this to you.
That's nothing.
That is a lot. So, ta-da!
I thought you'll be sweet enough to at least spread the capsicum. Oh my god.
एक, दो,
आने दे.
कर दिया, spread कर दिया.
I don't believe you. Like, I'm also gonna take your case. Wait and watch.
This is a good ingredient still, okay?
Oh my god. I'm gonna tell what she got. Maple syrup. I was just thinking of buying vanilla ice cream and having this. But after this, I don't wanna.
Exactly what my stomach wanted at this moment. Maple syrup with Maggie and on a pizza.
I'm just thinking whether I should be sweet enough and put.
It's not a pancake, Cherry. It's not a pancake.
Okay, I have not put a lot, so. Okay.
क्या है?
Apple. Now I know what.
La 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 la. It's a good day for everybody. Okay, Cherry, let's decorate your cake.
You're really gonna do that with me? But okay,
I'm just
fine.
putting it on the sides. I'm only putting it on the sides, so on your slice you'll only get like one or
My
two.
pizza looks pretty though. Your turn.
So, would you like to tell everyone what I've got?
No, because she got sweet corn. Why?
You put a bad ingredient itna sara, which is why I put like less.
At least your pizza looks interesting. My pizza looks so sad.
I don't want it to look interesting. मेरे को sad pizza चलेगा.
Okay, my turn. What all is left?
Doesn't look good. उठा लो.
Okay, fine. Oh my god. Oh, why?
How much? should I put?
Then I hate mustard sauce. Like I have never.
I'll put less.
Not that I've never had it, but I don't like it.
Those are like thick blobs. Sorry, that was
I
unintentional.
don't even want to imagine how it looks right now. All my cheap thoughts just come.
Oh, poop!
Yeah, like.
Potty on her pizza. Lovely. Let's do it.
Looks so cheap.
Not excited about these things at all. अरे वाह! Finally.
Nice.
बताओ आप बताओ क्या है?
She's got jalapenos, so she's quite lucky.
I'm still wondering what will happen to the Maggi when we bake it. Like it's already cooked. It's gonna get baked.
Okay, my turn. What all is left? Like onion. Oh my god, I love onion. Yeah.
I'll put a generous layer of onions since you like them.
My pizza still looks really sad. Like just look at my pizza, and our pizza looks so colorful and nice.
Yeah, mine looks like the experimental food you get these days, you know? Like the Mo burgers I eat.
Yeah.
Chocolate pizza, remember? Okay, enough.
Your turn. Oh, yeah. That's mine. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, I feel so bad for her. I don't even want to put this now.
I'll put it nicely for you. बीच पे लगा दूँ?
See, I put
Thank
really
you.
less
Thank
chocolate
you.
sauce for her.
More?
No.
Done?
Your wish, yeah. It's you are making my pizza.
I know it's a good ingredient. अभी कम डालो, ज़्यादा डालो, क्या हुआ? I'll make it pretty.
Oh my god.
I can at least
Like,
make it pretty.
Look at her pizza, guys.
It's okay.
Like, it looks yellow, colorful. And look at my pizza, मरा हुआ pizza. Like, मतलब कुछ है ही नहीं उसमें.
Mine is a craft project actually. It's not a pizza. You know, right now I want to eat your pizza. I don't want to eat
But
mine.
we still have one good ingredient left. That is cheese.
My God.
My pizza still looks like one of those exotic.
Yeah. I'm telling you, it's a craft project.
Okay, I think that's enough cheese. For
Looks
you.
like paneer on my thing.
I think it looks really interesting. I put almost all the grated cheese in Shraddha's pizza, and my pizza still looks really sad. But let's just bake our pizzas. Let's go. Come.
I don't want to go.
So your pizza is ready.
So is yours. It's really hot right now.
Yeah, I'm sure.
God. ऐसा क्या बना दिया कट ही नहीं रहा. I have this bigger slice, so cut a similar
Okay.
slice.
So I have all the ingredients with me here.
Let's just compare the slices first. Yours somehow looks smaller than mine. It's actually fine.
Mine is fatter and yours is like,
No. Will it make a difference though? No.
Okay. I'll have one apple just to compensate.
1, 2, 3. This is like bread पे Nutella लगा के. Not that bad yet.
She's really competitive, must say. She's eating this pizza.
No, it was nice. Like the first bite was nice because it looked tasted like bread with Nutella. But now I have mixed flavors. That's the first bite of your apple.
My mom will be proud of me that I'm having apples.
Like this with pizza. This was fine. Mm, It's not bad. This one is not that bad. I actually like it. You want to taste one? I like mine. And I am the competitive one. I am the cheater. I like mine still. You have to complete that. कर लो खत्म करो. It's okay. You won it. Just finish it now. cherry on top. I like mine, I'm not kidding.
It was so bad. Why did I even take that bite?
You wanted to win.
I just thought that I'll also be competitive, but then I failed badly.
Mine, they just taste fine. Like, somehow they taste fine together.
I'm really proud of Shraddha.
So, new recipe, guys. If you want to have a pizza, have it with Maggi, with chocolate sauce, with maple syrup, and you're good to go. So, done. We're done. Finally,
Yes, and
let's wrap it up.
I'm really proud of Shraddha. Anyway, that was it for today's video, and we really hope you enjoyed watching us cry and being sad over a pizza. If you want us to do more such challenges, comment down below. And for more such videos, you know what to do.
Like, share, and subscribe to Pop Exo Daily.
She's busy eating. Bye.